Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Akram and you're watching Knowledge 360. In this video, I'll explain you about Hangman game in C language. The main purpose of this Hangman project is to illustrate the use of control structures. Hangman game has been designed to demonstrate different application formats and syntaxes of C programming language. The source code of the game is very easy, short and understandable and user friendly as well. Guys, when you start the game asks you to guess any character. The game in C language that I have developed that gives you 5 chances to guess the characters. If you are able to match the character in 5 guesses, you will be the winner. Otherwise, if you fail to guess those characters in 5 guesses, you will lose the game and you will be hanged by the hangman. So let's start the code. See, from here I have started main function and the character that you need to guess is man, M-A-N. You can guess the character in any sequence you wish to. So see, the main thing is here the while loop that gives you 5 chances that count must be less than 6. So you enter a character until you uh, press any wrong character, put any wrong value, the count will decrease. So let's start the game. Guys, I'm using dev C++ for this demonstration. If you don't have installed dev C++, I'm giving link in video description. Please download from there and it's very easy to download and install. I hope you can do that. So guys, let's start. Click on execute, compile and run. So I need to guess any character. The character sequence is M-A-N. We can guess in any sequence, but these are 3 characters M, A and N. So I'm knowingly giving any wrong character. So let's it be T. So T is wrong guess. You have 5 more guesses left. So now I'll enter another wrong character like O. O is also wrong guess. You have 4 guesses to left. See here I will give wrong. I will give right choice. The character where M A N. Suppose I am giving N. So you are correct. Now it says you have 2 more words to go because I have 3 words to guess. Now I have successfully guessed one character. Now I need to guess another two. So now let's put a wrong character. So I put wrong character R. R is a wrong guess. So it says you have 3 more guesses left. Now suppose I put a right guess M. So it says M is a right choice and you have 1 words to go. See, here is that sequence M and N. I need to guess the middle character. So I'm knowingly giving wrong choice B. So B is a wrong guess. Now it says you have 2 more guesses left. Again I am giving another wrong choice E. Now I have only one guess to left. Now here I will give right choice A. So you are correct and you have 0 words to go, means I have completed the guess and I have won. So let's see if what happens if I consumes my all the guesses and couldn't guess the characters exactly. So I'm again executing this one. So I'm giving P, then I, then J, K, L. Now you have 1 more guesses left. I can guess only one wrong character. So suppose I have given Q. now it says you have 0 more guesses left and you lost, sorry, you are hanged. So this way this hangman game is working. Guys, I'm giving source code here. I invite you all guys to please do any improvement you wish to do. I will have a surprise gift for you if I like your improvement, and you can send me back to the improvement in the mail address I'll provide you. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, and I post technical videos and we'll discuss more on the other topics. So guys, subscribe my channel, or you can see other videos from the playlist given. From there you can also find more and more projects there. So let's meet in the next video with another project with source code explanation. I'm giving explanation with commenting. Till then, take care. So bye bye.